how to withdraw money from prizepicks. Hey guys, in this video I'll guide you through how to withdraw money from prizepicks. Alright, so let's begin. Let's explore the process of withdrawing money from prizepicks prior to initiating a withdrawal. Ensure your account has a sufficient balance and is verified to avoid any potential errors. Navigate to the three lines, click on withdrawal, specify the amount, and await a 6-digit code sent to your email. Enter this code in the app to confirm your identity. Keep in mind, if you've loaded $10,000 but only spent $50, you must utilize the entire $100 to proceed with the withdrawal. Only deposit the funds you plan to use for prizepicks. So that's basically how you can withdraw money from prizepicks. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.